The Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, has announced progress at the beleaguered Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James. At a Ministry of Health quarterly press briefing on Tuesday, Dr. Tufton said an expanded accident and emergency department will be opened on Thursday. He also revealed that ground has been broken for an additional facility for diagnostics. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
Over $3 billion is what the government will be spending to undertake renovations and repairs to Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James. The Type A health facility has been grappling with an air quality problem. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says progress has been made so far as the expanded accident and emergency unit, which operates from the Mount Salem Clinic, will be opened this week.
On Thursday of this week, we're launching with the opening of the new accident and emergency at Cornwall Regional. So the Mount Salem Clinic, you may recall, was converted to an accident and emergency facility. We have doubled the capacity through an expansion of that facility. It's now ready to be engaged.
Dr. Tufton also said that the launch of the compassionate care will take place on the same day. This program will see 15 persons who have already completed training being placed in the A&E department. He says this will help in service care delivery.
Effectively, what that will do for Cornwall and the patients who use A&E, it's going to create a lot more space, more convenience, and hopefully reduce the challenges with space limitations. We'll also have a minor operating theatre in that facility to deal with the concerns there.
The Health Minister also revealed that ground has been broken for an additional facility for diagnostics. Some diagnostic services were outsourced because the main building could not be used.
A lot of the diagnostic services we had outsourced previously, and that building is supposed to be completed by the latter part of this year, and that will concentrate all the diagnostics, the CT scans and so on, and allow us to do that comfortably on the location.
In addition, 80 more beds will be added to the main building within the next few weeks. This will increase the bed count to 300. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.